Hello, teacher. Dialogue. Sit. Excuse me, mister. Can you help me with something? 8. Of course. Tell me. What's the problem? Sit. Is my cell phone this morning? I noticed my cell phone cannot turn up the volume or turn down the volume. 8. Okay, the screen is broken too. Sit. Yes, my cell phone fell last night. 8. Okay, do not worry. I'm going to open it and look inside. Sit. Okay. 8. Look, the volume buttons are broken. I can't fit it up. The screen it will be ready tomorrow. Sit. Not problem. I'll come back tomorrow afternoon. 8. Yeah, that's okay. I'm going to start out right now. Sit. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, teacher.